Okay, first of all, I never imagined I would be sharing my story as a cancer survivor. So in 2024, I was diagnosed with cancer, and I went through multiple surgeries and treatments. I visited multiple hospitals, but I would say it's like failed treatments. Nothing has worked, and I had almost lost my hope. And during that difficult phase in my life, I come to know about Chinnababu sir, and I met him, and he treated me not like a patient. When I went to him, I usually have so many questions in my mind. I had asked him so many questions, and he answered every question very patiently. And I was little bit panicked because it's a metastasis disease. I had surgery in another hospital. I do not want to call the name, but that surgery it wasn't a success. It's a failed surgery. So I'm strong. I don't say I'm weak, but when you have the metastasis within 3 months, it somehow, I had lost hope that I could live a normal life again. And in that moment, I was blessed to, meet Chinnababu sir. He gave me the strength, to fight the battle.
What exactly did he say?
He he says many things. You should speak with him once. So yeah, he's very kind, and he has a very good sense of humor. He makes you laugh, even if you cry with your struggles. Yeah, he gives you that strength, and you should try to speak with him once.
No, you in my other conversation you said nothing will happen to you. You can just go. Something
Yes,
like that you
yes.
said.
When I had multiple questions, and I thought I would die because I was not like this how I am looking now. Because because you know what the cancer treatments does to you. Your hair will fall, you'll have dark circles, and you'll become thin. I thought I would die like every other patient. And I went to him, I asked, will I die? He said, nothing will happen to you. Go home and prepare for surgery. Yeah, he said like that, and then I had a very major surgery, and also I had couple of challenges, and I lost some organs from the body because of the cancer. Yeah, and I also have side effects because of the organs I lost. But no one can recognize I'm a cancer patient. But I have all those side effects in me. My eye cannot sense anything from here to here. It's completely numbed the whole part, and I cannot get the sensation in my whole life. But I'm fine with it because I'm surviving. Yeah.
What are your two strengths that brought you out of this?
Okay, the strength that is within me, and the supporting system I have around me. Yeah, one is my family, my mother, my brother are the greatest support, and my organization. Yeah, that is also a greatest strength. And Chinnababu sir is also, yeah. And Joshua. Yeah. Cut this, edit this.
What would you tell somebody who's going through a difficult time right now, fighting this battle?
Okay. Okay, don't just lose your hope, you know. Don't just lose your hope. You are not alone, and speak, speak, and you will be surprised with the supporting system around you. And you're not alone, and we are all with you. Yeah, and don't lose your courage, and don't lose your hope. Cancer can be defeated, and I am the living example.